Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix input delay on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your installed apps and games. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix the input delay, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be here in this page. So once you're here, go ahead and scroll a little bit down until you find accessories. And then once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Then as you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find a lot of, a lot of options. You're gonna find general, controller, right here. Here, you're gonna find media and remote. And right here, you're gonna find other accessories. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find keyboard. You're gonna find type. You can choose the language. And here under it, as you can see guys, you're gonna find key repeat delay. So basically guys, if you want to make your delay shorter, you can set it to short, you can set it to normal or to long. Also here in key repeat rate, you can either, as you can see guys, select slow, normal or fast. Once you finish, just go back and all of your changes will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.